In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Booksy to Instagram quickly and efficiently. Adding Booksy to your Instagram can streamline scheduling and client management for your business, making it easier for your clients to book your services directly from your social media profile. First, you'll want to head over to the Booksy website by visiting biz.booksy.com. Once you're there, look out for the search bar on the page. It's usually conspicuous and you can't miss it. In this search bar, you'll need to type in book more clients with the Instagram book button. Be sure that you enter this text precisely, as you'll need to access specific information from their blog to proceed. Go ahead and click the search button to proceed with your query. After a moment, you should see a list of search results. Look for the result that says book more clients with the Instagram book button and click on it. This will take you directly to the relevant blog entry, which provides comprehensive instructions on how to integrate Booksy with Instagram. Once you're on the page, scroll through the blog post until you come to the section titled Setting Up Your Instagram button. This is a very crucial part of the process. Make sure to carefully read and follow the instructions in this section. This blog is written to guide users like you on how to connect Instagram to Booksy, so it's designed to be accessible even if you're not particularly tech savvy. Now we'll transition over to Instagram. Open up your Instagram account and head over to your profile page. From here, tap on Edit Profile. You're almost there. Within the Edit Profile section, there's an option labeled Contact Options. Tap it to open up more settings. In the Contact Options menu, look for and click on Add an Action button. This feature is what will enable the Booksy integration. Once you're in the list of available apps, find and select Booksy. Before doing this, it's important to make sure that your Instagram account is set up as a business account. This feature is only available to business accounts, so switch your personal profile if necessary. Finally, you'll need to log in with the email and password associated with your Booksy business account. This step is essential as it connects the two platforms, allowing for seamless interaction between Instagram and Booksy. Once you complete this login, the Booksy action button should now be visible on your Instagram profile. Congratulations! Your clients can now book directly through Instagram, helping simplify their experience and hopefully boosting your business. I hope this tutorial helped you effortlessly integrate Booksy with your Instagram account. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.